नमस्कार, मैं हूं मृत्युंजय कुमार झा और सबसे पहले बात करेंगे गोल्ड पर। जो वर्ल्ड गोल्ड काउंसिल की रिपोर्ट आई है उसकी, और WGC की नई रिपोर्ट के मुताबिक भारत में गोल्ड की डिमांड 2023 में यानी लास्ट ईयर 3% घटी है और गोल्ड डिमांड घटकर 748 टन के नीचे रही है और ज्वेलरी की डिमांड में 6% की गिरावट आई है, ये हम आपको बता रहे हैं। और ग्लोबल गोल्ड की डिमांड 2023 में 5% घटी है। इस पर बात करने के लिए हमारे साथ सोम सुंदरम PR है, रीजनल CEO वर्ल्ड गोल्ड काउंसिल के। सर बहुत बहुत स्वागत है आपका जी बिजनेस पर। और मेरा पहला क्वेश्चन आपसे यही होगा कि 2023 में गोल्ड की डिमांड कम हुई है ग्लोबली भी और इंडिया में भी। 2024 के लिए आपका आउटलुक क्या है? क्या 2024 में गोल्ड की डिमांड बढ़ेगी या आपको लगता है कि सबड्यूट रहेगी?
2024, first I'll talk about India. 2024, India, I expect gold demand to rise, definitely, both on the investment and jewelry front. But definitely it will happen if prices don't rise very sharply. If the prices remain in the current range, I think we will have a very strong spurt in demand in India. We have seen this 700 to 800 tons for the last 5-6 years. People have got used to the 60,000 rupees price. Our wealth is growing. Therefore, there will be more people wanting to buy gold. And once you're comfortable with the price, you will see that there is a breakout in our demand. So it will actually move from 700 to 800 range. I expect it will move to 800 to 900 tons range in India. Globally, there will be a mix of factors. China again has come back in a very big way. So India and China are two big markets. Both are now firing. So this would actually be very good for the global gold market. But you will see certainly some subdued demand for jewelry apart from these probably countries because of high prices. And investment demand, you will see some mixture. Central bank demand will continue to be very strong.
ओके, तो आप ये कह रहे हैं कि जो इन्वेस्टमेंट डिमांड है वो थोड़ा मिक्स रहेगा, बट सेंट्रल बैंक की बाइंग आप कह रहे हैं कि अच्छी रहेगी इस साल, और इंडिया में भी आपने कहा कि डिमांड बढ़ेगी। अब मेरा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आपसे ये होगा, क्योंकि आपने डिमांड बढ़ने की बात की है और ग्लोबली भी, लेकिन आपको नहीं लगता कि बिकॉज ऑफ हायर प्राइसेस ये थोड़ा डेंट करेगा इन्वेस्टमेंट डिमांड को ग्लोबली?
Yes, there will be a dent, but see, people buy gold because they want price to go up. So a high price is actually something which strengthens gold's position in our portfolio. The point is, if it keeps rising in the short run, people want to be very sure. Is it the right price? Is it a blip? Should I wait for a few months? That is what happens. But when the prices keep moving up, it's actually very good for gold because people buy gold for that.
एक सवाल मेरा आपसे ये होगा, अब चूंकि बजट में 19 घंटे बचे हैं, कल 11 बजे बजट पेश होगा और बजट से ठीक एक दिन पहले मैं आपसे बात कर रहा हूँ, कुछ इस इंडस्ट्री के लिए कुछ एक्सपेक्टेशन है आप लोगों की कि कल कुछ बजट में होगा बुलियन गोल्ड इंडस्ट्री के लिए?
The government has brought a lot of reforms last few years. I mean, if you look at 5 years ago, we never had a bullion exchange. It's all going to work in the next couple of years. Hallmarking, we have got mandatory. At the moment, the standing request is always the reduction in duty, but I don't expect that to happen in this budget. So as of now, I don't think there is anything very significant that this industry is expecting in this budget.
So do you think import duty should come down?
See, import duty should come down. That's ideal, but it is not a consumer issue. You know, consumers are not saying it must be brought down. Consumers don't even know what the duty is. It's a trade issue. So there is also validity in the argument. Should the industry itself not control the gray market, not expect that the duty should come down? Because duty 15% has been accepted by the consumer. 60,000 rupees includes duty.
But duty कम हो जाएगी तो गोल्ड सस्ता हो जाएगा ना सर, तो कंज्यूमर इशू तो बन जाएगा ना?
No, but that is what I'm saying, because anyway the prices keep going, whether it is going because of global factors or increase in duty, it is the consumer sees only the price. Ideal situation is, yes, low duty, absolutely no doubt about it, but we also have to take into account our context and where the demand is placed. If the demand rises again, then the government will have to come back to the rise in duty again. The best will be to work with what we have and probably change other things around the industry, like digital payments. We should also bring it and link it with certain other developments.
ओके अब जब आप ये कह रहे हैं कि इंडिया में डिमांड बढ़ेगी, तो इसके पीछे आपका लॉजिक क्या है? क्या इंडिया में रूरल डिमांड बढ़ेगी, या आपको लगता है कि अर्बन इन्वेस्टमेंट डिमांड बढ़ेगी? इन्वेस्टमेंट डिमांड या फिर जो ज्वेलरी की डिमांड है वो आएगी कहां से?
You see, the demand will increase. When demand increases in India, it is largely a rural phenomenon. There is no doubt about it, because 60% of demand comes from the rural areas. So I expect that the increase in demand will come from that segment, clearly. But it's also due to the fact that our GDP is growing, right? I mean, people's prosperity is high, and we have always seen that income is a significant influencer of demand in short and the long term. Therefore, with these high prices, that's what I said, if the price doesn't just suddenly sharply jump up, at these price levels, you will suddenly see that, the demand resets itself to a higher level, 700. It is not 700 to 800, it will become 800 to 900. That becomes our normative range.
ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच सर, हमें वक्त देने के लिए और गोल्ड पर डिटेल व्यू देने के लिए कि इस साल इंडिया में गोल्ड की डिमांड कैसी रहेगी, ग्लोबली गोल्ड की डिमांड कैसी रहेगी, और ओवरऑल जो ट्रेंड है गोल्ड का बाइंग का वो कैसा रहेगा, ये डिटेल में हमें बताने के लिए बहुत शुक्रिया आपका हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए। तो फिलहाल इस शो में इतना ही।